Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a vlog, and the vlog is of what I promised you guys before. I'm going to be showing you guys the Tus Falls, which is in the Dundas area, which is not too far from where I live. And it is the largest, not the largest, the tallest waterfall that we have here. So I would like to be showing you that, but in the meantime, I'm going to be showing you this little town in the Dundas area, which is so beautiful. And I'll be showing you going up the mountain towards the Tus Falls, the scenery that we have here. So stay tuned, guys. This is the town of Dundas, guys. I'm going to be showing you the little town that we have here. And this is like an old historic little town. It is beautiful down here, guys. Look at down there. It's all the nice trees. Look at all the scenery. The flags. It's beautiful down here, guys. And pretty soon we'll be coming up to this mountain that we have to go up. And it's beautiful scenery there too. And today is a beautiful, beautiful sunny day. It is beautiful down here in Canada.
So this mountain we're going up to, it's called the Dundas Peak. I'm sorry to interrupt, guys.
And this is my husband. His name is Tony. He'll be like talking a little bit on here. Look at those flowers, guys. Isn't that beautiful? This is an old school. It is closed down. It's abandoned. Look at this, guys. This is the mountain. We're going up a mountain. Look at this. Look at all the greenery, the scenery. This is beautiful. And it says there that we're coming up to Flamborough. We're in the Dundas Valley district. I just love like the rocks on the side over here. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's nice scenery in that side, but you can't hardly see, but it's beautiful. Look at all this greenery here, guys. That's beautiful. So this is the mountain we're coming up. So this is the Flamborough area. And we are coming up close to the Tus Falls, guys. It's just around the corner here. Look at all this greenery. It's beautiful. I love nature, guys. So I hope you guys got a little glimpse of the nature and the beautifulness of this area. I'll be stopping this video and coming back and showing you the Tus Falls. Yes, guys, here it is, the sign. There's another waterfall close by, which is called the Webster Falls, but we don't have time to do the Webster Falls today. That I'll be showing you another time. But I'm going to be showing you the Tus Falls. So we'll be coming up close to the Tus Falls soon, very soon, just down a little bit more. Look at all the greenery. Beautiful. So we are coming close to it, guys. Look at the beautiful sky today. So blue. So here it is, guys. We've come to it. Tus Falls. And this is showing you all the waterfalls that are in the area. There's the Dundas Valley. So I'm going to take you down to see the Tus Falls. And we do have a Dundas Peak. And it says Adventure. Tus Falls Side Trail, which is the length is 3.1 kilometers. This is beautiful, guys. Look at all the greenery. And you guys are going to enjoy this fall because it's beautiful. It's not that much of a walk, guys, but so I'll record when I'm closer. Down there. We're getting close to it, guys. Now over here we have a little river and a little bridge. Look at this. It's like a cascade of water, like a river, flowing all the way down to that side. And on this side, you have water again. Look how nice and clear that water is. That's beautiful. So over here on this side, that is called Dundas Peak. It's like a trail and you're on top of a high mountain, and you can see the whole Dundas area from the bottom, which is this. It says Dundas Peak, and it's about like a half an hour to 45-minute walk. And that's what it looks like, guys. You're on top of that. There's a Tus Falls. Then there's a Webster Falls. And this is how it looks, guys. This is a sign, a plaque, saying the Spencer Gorge Webster Falls Conservation Area. So yeah, that's the fall we're going to be seeing. Look at all those flowers. So we're coming to it. Look at that, guys. Those flowers. You guys are gonna love this. How deep that is. This is the Tus Falls, guys. Isn't it beautiful? It's the longest waterfall that we have here. I just love coming here. Look at that, guys. What a beautiful view. There's a rainbow down at the end there. Look at that, guys. That is beautiful. What a beautiful sight. That's a very long way down. I'll show you from this view. That is a beautiful waterfall. And this is the tallest that we have here. Look at the sound of that water. So yeah, guys, that is a Tus Falls for you guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please like, comment, and subscribe. and let me know if you guys enjoyed this waterfall. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.